Hey y'all! Today we're going to check out Mama Gertie's Hideaway Campground in Swannanoa, North Carolina. This campground is located just a half mile off of I-40 and is only 15 minutes from Asheville. There are 45 campsites here and they vary in sizes, amenities, and price. The first 21 sites are on what I would call ground level and most of them are pull-throughs. There are 5 sites at what we'll call mid-level, meaning that they're up on a little hill. And then you have the 18 premium sites located at the top with some of the best views of the Blue Ridge Mountains that you'll find in any campground up here. Coming into the campground, the first thing you'll notice is this big red building here. It has the office where you check in. That's located up at the top. There's also a camp store up there, and then they have restrooms and showers, laundry, and an exercise room in there. Okay, pulling into the campground, you'll notice on the left there's a pet station there. They are pet friendly. And this first section you're looking at is the lower section. We'll start on this side, which is actually sites 17 through 21. And then after we go up to the top and come back down, we'll catch sites 1 through 8. Okay, now we start climbing. These next sites are what I call the mid-level sites. These are sites 22 through 26. Making our way to the upper level, there are 19 sites up here. Most of them are pull-throughs on gravel, and they have a picnic table and a fire ring. They also have a little grassy patch that's in between them, which is really nice if you're bringing the fur babies. They have somewhere to go. There's this nice community deck, which would be a great place to watch the sunset. And as you'll see in a minute when we go around, one of the sites up here has its own private deck, which is super nice. There's also a bathhouse up here with laundry. All right, so what did y'all think about that top premium section? It's pretty nice, isn't it? And the views up there, oh, amazing. I don't know about the steep road, but maybe those views would be worth it. All right, so now we're going to go down here and catch numbers 1 through 8. Okay, y'all, that's going to do it for today's video tour of Mama Gertie's here in North Carolina. Let us know what you thought about it in the comments, and let us know if you'd brave that steep hill for one of those premium sites at the top. Thanks for watching today, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see y'all on the next one.